guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell from the title, I'm going to be doing some crocheted faux locks. I already prepped my hair from the night before because I wasn't trying to do everything in one day. I did those little twists around the perimeter of my head so that way they can look like individual locks. Let's go ahead and shout out to Toyotress for sponsoring this video.
Girl, you get a coin for that.
They do send you a crochet hook, so you don't have to purchase one separately. This is what the hair looks like. I got it in 12 inches, I believe, and I will leave everything in the description box. The hair is super soft, actually, coming straight out the pack. So I am rubber banding those twists because I tried to like loop my hair through, pull it through the locks, but honestly it was not working out and it was giving ghetto. So I ended up doing this because I was over it and I wasn't about to take my hair out and rebraid it. No, so we just did some rubber bands and I'll be back to show you guys how I loop all the hair through. So really quickly, I wanted to mention that it does come with 8 packs of hair, and in each pack there are 20 individual locks. So 20 times 8 is the amount of locks that y'all gonna have, but don't depend on me to give y'all the answer. Just pull out your calculators real quick. 8 times 20. Yeah, that's how much locks that you get in the pack. And I just wanted to also mention that the hair is actually surprisingly soft and it's not itchy. Again, surprise. And it doesn't have a scent. Like, it doesn't have a scent, like, at all. Like, there's nothing to compare it to. It doesn't have a scent. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I loop it through. So in the beginning of the lock there is a little loop, you know, and I'm just gonna put it through the latch hook, pull it through, and then I don't pull the I can't speak. I don't pull the latch hook all the way out. I just push it in and grab the other end of the lock and I pull it through the loop and bam. Super simple, like probably the most simple protective style that you're gonna do. It doesn't take long. You ain't no tension on your hair, girl. So yeah, I really do love this style. So in order for me to blend the twist, I just attached them to the cornrow as I was looping the lock through. Super simple. Okay, all right, bye. Y'all don't come for me for the way the back of my hair looks. I know it looks like a hot mess, but the back was actually the most like simple part to do. Those little twists that you see in the back, I did pull them up to meet the cornrows just like I did the front, so they weren't just left hanging there. But the back of my head went by super fast because I just looped them in anywhere. I looped them on the braid, I looped them in between the braids so that way it can fill up the spots. And you'll see me explain a little bit later in the video that there are some spots that I could have just went in and put some more in, but your girl was feeling a little lazy, okay? But it did end up coming out super cute. All right, so here we are. We are all done. I think it came out super pretty. Look at it. Ooh, girl. You know, if I want to put it up and I can put it in a bun. You know, if I want to put it up, I can put it up or whatever. Cute. Okay, let me be honest with you. I'm not someone that likes faux locks. That's like dead ass, like it's not my ministry, okay? But this is kind of cute. Like, it's giving. let me turn around and show y'all the back. Oh, this is what the back is looking like. Okay. I feel like I definitely could have added more hair in the back, but yeah, I was over it and I was ready to be done. So yeah, I can definitely go back in and add more. So I used the 1, 2, 3, I have 3 packs, like 3.5 packs left. I could definitely fill in some spots, which I probably might do that, but overall I like the way that it looks. I actually really love the way that this came out. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this was one of those trust the process kind of things, okay? I really had to trust the process, because in the middle of doing this I was just like, what are you, no, I wanted to take them things out, but it actually came out really nice. The hair is super soft. It's not rough, it's not itchy, and it doesn't smell. It doesn't smell, like, it literally has no scent. Actually, I'm surprised that I like the way that it looks, because again, the Crochet Loc thing is not for me, but this is so cute. I will leave their links in the description box down below, to where you can purchase the hair. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you once again to Toyotress for sponsoring this video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button and follow me on Instagram if you haven't done so already. Everything is listed down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.